Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that.
What if he doesn't return to this house? He will. And when he does, he will pay dearly for doing this to you. To us. To us. Whispers in the dark can only be heard when there's light. You can run, but you cannot hide. The rabbit bores its hole at night. But in the morning, the hole will be seen. The evil one runs when no one chases. Why are you running?
Calm down. Let's go to my office and talk about it. Follow me.
Everyone. Chukwuetere. Ebere.
It's my abujo. It's my son not too young to die. It's abujo not too young to die. Oh, Timo!
Where's the boy? Pass you over.
Take my life. Don't take my life. I want to join. I want to join Abuji. I want to join Abuji. I want to join my school. Let them take me and leave my
Is that network or what?
It's switched off.
Keep trying. We need to talk to him. Call his wife's own.
I don't have any of her numbers. Hey.
She has a stubborn spirit, a stubborn and restless spirit. You spirit of the dead, you restless spirit of the dead, you must vacate this place to your abode. I must vacate you from here to your abode. Move! The battle now is for your wife. But before we appease Abba of Ajofia, we must wrestle with the spirit of the dead. No man can walk so long in the shadow that he cannot come again to the light. Follow me! Follow me! Yakantum Ntuka Yakantum Ituka Yakantum Ntuka Yakantum Ituka Yakantum Ntuka. Snabo Butikiso Abuhalia. On your Barania Butalian with their Bala.
What's going on? What demon are you? Speak!
Demon. What? Demon. Demon of fury. Demon of spirit. Dangerous demon. Demon.
Louis, no be at the talk. Which kind of thing be this now? How they go, they do puga with Oga Kaki. Where you carry Oga Kaki, they go. See, make you not be waiting in my mind though. Which kind of thing be this one now?
Oh yeah, wait till you carry for mine.
Okay, make I tell you what I carry for mine. You won't carry this Oga Kaki now, so you don't wear your Christmas clothes. So, enter town. Go they do puga with all the women and all the boys. Go they tell them say you don't buy car. I don't get time for that nonsense, so they hear me.
What is your problem now? Huh? What is your problem? So you are saying I cannot drive a gas car. I need to take the car and make sure the engine is running very well.
Mechanic. Onyembuka. You want to confirm? Not be me they test all these cars. I tell you say any of them, you tell me say get problem. I beg, come down from this car, I beg.
Stop this thing. I have a meeting to attend, please. I have a meeting.
See, Louis, see. If you get meeting, no wahala. I no go stop you. Go enter Kabu. Unless you want me to go with you.
Sebastian, stop this thing now. This meeting has nothing to do with you. Okay, fine. Let me go. When I come back, I'll buy you a drink.
You for call me Junior as you dey talk am. Junior, if I dey come back, I go buy you a drink. You look me finish, I say, oh, finish. Like this. Now me, you won't use ordinary beer, take bribe. I better come down for this car. I don't want to talk too much. Come down. Just they come down.
Stop this thing now. Stop this thing now.
You sabi insult person, oh.
I never said beer. Not beer, you moron. Not beer. Relax.
See, make I tell you, if you won't go your meeting, no wahala. I go follow you. If you won't go the meeting, you won't carry this car, no wahala. You don't dress finish now, you won't go do mpompo. No wahala, make I go go with you. They tell you go just come on here, carry person car. Car will no concern you. You just don't dress finish. You won't use organ. Wait, they come back, make I open gate.
Oga, you never give me my money. Oh. Oga, you say you never give me my money.
What thing they worry you? Which kind of nonsense be that one? Eh? What thing be I never give you your money? Which kind of smelling talk be that one? No, you look me like this now. You look me from head to toe. I be like, who no fit pay you for cigar be waiting. Which kind of nonsense talk be that one? No try that nonsense with me. No just try it with me now.
But okay, no insult. I say you say you never give me my money for cigar now.
What thing they worry this boy? See problem. What thing they worry this idiot? You know what thing they bother me here? You know what thing they bother me here? Oh, how much be cigar? I beg, how much be this cigar?
14 naira.
14 naira! Because of 14 naira, now you they talk nonsense. I will say God go open your eye. May you just see the kind of problem where they this head. 2 seconds. This head where you see now, 2 seconds it don't bust. Idiot. Make I just hear bam from that your mouth now. I go just go and do you now. Go house, go give that casika where they mess up. Idiot. This what people. This what people. When I go just there, when I not go look person, see the problem where they face. You go look me, see the problem why they face before you go add your own. When I know they get sense, may not try to get sense. Come on, guys, carry this nonsense. You can come up for ya.
Okay, you see, if you talk all this way, they talk, you finish it. You go still give me my money. Oh. You could still give me my money.
Okay, oh yeah. So you don't swear, Abi. Oh yeah, swear they follow me. Come take your.
See this man,
Come like a value to
My daughter, I am as worried as you are. Though Abuchi has been buried, but we need to tell Louis all that happened in his absence.
Uncle, something is not right. Something is not right. Ever since Brother Louis married that witch he called a wife, he has been acting very strange. I believe that woman is out to ruin his life.
How do you mean?
There was this time, years ago, Mama was very sick. But Abuchi didn't come. He didn't even check up on Mama for 1 day. Unlike him, he can't stay without hearing Mama's voice.
I believe I know that time. I visited your mother, I guess.
Uncle, to cut the long story short, this woman had the audacity to call us leeches. She personally washed me. Uncle, I've not seen anything like that.
And your mother never told me all this?
She was too ashamed of everything, knowing how attached she is to Brother Louis.
In that case, you have to go and look for him.
First thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to the city.
That's great.
Nana. Rosie.
How are you doing? What happened? I came to your shop yesterday.
My dear, I'm so sorry. I traveled to the village. I just got back home. Okay. How are you doing now?
I'm good.
Rosie, I'm so sorry about what's happened. Take heart, oh?
Sorry about what? What are you even talking about?
So you don't know? You mean you don't know? Well, I was wondering why I did not see you and your husband in the village.
Nena, please. Can you just stop all this plenty talk? What happened?
Well, it's your brother-in-law, Abuchi. He drowned earlier today and was buried because according to our tradition.
Abuchi?
Yes.
Abuchi died, my in-law.
Wait, so you mean you don't know?
How come? When? I wasn't informed. When?
They said they called you and your number was not reachable.
No one called me.
They called your husband and his phone was switched off. So I'm surprised that you don't know.
Abuchi.
Take.
Maybe I need change.
The rabbit bores its hole at night. But in the morning, the hole will be seen.
Sister, did you talk to me?
No.
Huh?
No.
You can run, but you cannot hide.
Hey! Osokwa! Osokwa! Don't you get in here! Don't you get in here! Hey!
Ajofia, how long is this going to take? Ajofia. Ajofia.
It varies, depending on the spirits. Few days, in most cases.
Few days? No, now, Ajofia, we don't have few days. With each passing day, something bad happens in my family. Then I have my boss to worry about.
He must not return to this house.
How am I going to stop a man from entering his own house? How?
Find a way. Find a way, or the consequences will be fatal.
Okwere mo nwa ba ajo ofia. Asị na agbalụcha ngene, ekuru ngene nwụọ. Mana ọ nwekwara ya mere ngene eze mmiri. Na ọkwanya ka ngene jigwa eburu mmiri enwe ilo. Ọkwara ajo ofia na-ekwu. Anyị so na-eme n'iru anyị na ọ na-azụ. Onye na-eme n'azụ anyị na ọ n'iru. Onye na-eme n'iru na-eme n'azụ anyị na ọ na-esi n'abụ. Hey!
Ajofia, wait.
Anita, please. You can fight it. Fight it, please. Anita. Please, Anita. Please don't do this to me.
Yes, I think I like what I saw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
You Please tell the manager to see me immediately.
Okay, sir. No problem, sir.
All right.
No problem, sir.
Okay, just go. Just tell him to see me.
No problem, sir.
Yes, Sebastian.
Hello? Hello? Oga? Oga?
You must have a good reason for calling me now.
Yes.
What is it?
Oga, I dey call you since. I don't dey call you since so long I don't dey connect.
Sebastian, will you stop playing around and go straight to the point? What is going on? Else I'll drop this call on you.
Oga, beg, no drop, no drop. I beg, Oga, wahala dey, wahala dey for house, Oga. Wonderment dey go for house since when you come out. Yes, sir. Oga, see, make I tell you, sir. Okay, see, Oga. Yesterday, yes, me and Louis. That's how we come up for that
God. Sebastian. Sebastian. Hello?
I dey try tell you say yesterday for night. Yes, me and Louis, we come up.
It's obvious that you don't have anything to tell me.
Hey.
Hold on.
Where is my brother Louis?
I hope I'm not a fact that you barely noticed me standing here.
Brother Louis! Brother Louis! Brother Louis! Brother Louis! Brother Louis! Brother Louis! Where is my brother, you witch? What have you done to him?
Stop shouting like a dog let loose from things. Can't you see your brother is not here? Eh? Besides, don't call me names, you're in my house.
I will call you whatever name that pleases me. You're a witch. You're a devil. In fact, your wolf and sheep dog is out there.
I'm coming.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
My name is Inspector Kingsley from the State CID. You are under arrest for the disappearance of Mr. Louis Okafor. Please, this way.
When I'm done with you, you will have to go to the station and explain where my brother is.
Oh, please, madam, this way. I don't want to apply us. Let's go.
Officer, I still do not know why you people arrested me. This is an infringement on my rights.
Listen, woman. You are the one that is holding yourself here. I asked you a simple question. Where is your husband? Your sister-in-law came here and reported the brother missing. And she's accusing you for knowing his whereabouts.
Some people are funny. I don't have anything to do with that. He left home for weeks with no word on his whereabouts. I mean, why should I be blamed?
Did you report to the authorities when you found out he was missing?
That's because he has always been appearing and disappearing.
Oh, he's now a ghost who appears and disappears, right?
I don't know.
Listen, woman. You better start talking before I apply force. I ask you one more time. Where is Louis Ugochukwu Okafor?
It's night already. How is it going? Hasten up now.
Get me a glass of water and something to eat. Here.
Okay, no problem. But you need to hurry up, because we can't spend one more day here. Please.
I can only offer my best. You brought this upon yourself.
Hello, sir.
Louis, what happened to your phone? I've been trying to reach you and Sebastian.
I guess it's network, sir.
Fine. I'm calling to inform you that I'll be arriving back home tomorrow. Louis, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I heard you. You said you'll be returning tomorrow, sir.
Louis. Louis.
Sir.
Is everything all right?
Everything is fine, sir. We cannot wait to see you, sir.
Good. Very well. I will be on the midday flight. Please, inform Sebastian.
All right. Bye-bye, sir. There's trouble.
Where is the food and water I asked for?
Leave food and water first. My boss will be coming back tomorrow. It means once that happens, I'm doomed. Everything I'm hustling for will just go down the drain like that. I'm going to lose all members of my family and lose my life.
You can't watch that happen. You must not let him step his feet into this compound.
Ajofia, but I told you the same thing before now. I asked you the same question. How am I going to stop a man from entering his own house? How?
Do something. Do something. Try something. Don't tell me you are giving up. Or are you really that?
Okay. What do you suggest?
Use your head. Use your imagination. Try anything possible.
Haven't you heard of First TV?
Home of Nollywood movies.
Subscribe now.
First TV. Don't touch that.